So I'm doing a routine cabin air filter on this 2014 Chevy Silverado half-ton, and I'm sure there's 100 videos on YouTube on how to change a cabin filter. But what do you think is going to happen when I pull that cabin filter out? Well, I know they're going to end up with a whole pile of acorns in the blower fan. So I'm going to try and see if I can slip a piece of cardboard under the cabin filter to catch that stuff. So using the new cabin filter as a stencil, cut a piece of cardboard out of the box of the original or the new cabin filter. We're going to try slide that underneath the existing one. Well, I can't get the cardboard in there. It's so jammed in there, so tight. I can't get it in there, so I'm just going to pull it out and let the acorns fall and take the heater motor out from the bottom here and clean it out. This is incredible. I can't even get the cabin filter out. There's so many acorns jammed in here. No wonder the airflow out of the vent seemed low. Man, I gotta get a pair of pliers. Think there's a few acorns in there? Wow. And they're like fish hooks, they don't come out. I'm gonna have to take the heater motor out because I'm sure some of these are falling down inside the heater motor and pieces of shells and seeds. They're too fat to come out through this opening here without breaking them. It's still full. That's what I got out so far. But look up at here. There's still more. Let's take the blower motor out. Talk about over-engineered. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frickin' screws to hold that piece of plastic on. I think the 06s only had 3. Just a few acorns. Wow. I should have sent this one to the lube shop for a cabin filter replacement. Free labor. Anyways, the blower motor comes out. There's 3 T20 screws that hold it in place. This thing was packed full of acorns up above. I had to reach up through the blower motor hole to get them out. Now I'm going to look through the cowl in the windshield and see if there's any more. So I decided to look into the heater core with a borescope. It looks pretty clean. I did find one more acorn that had fallen in there. And I'm going to look up here. I didn't get any more from up here after blowing it out. So I think we can put it back together. Amazing, there's a bit more airflow out of the vents now. And I bet you the recirc door opens and closes. I checked it before, but it's working. I'm pretty sure there was a code for the recirc door, but I kind of ignored it and I was looking for codes related to the power window on the back. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. So here's the scan report for that 2014 Silverado. HVAC code B0228, recirculation position feedback, circuit actuator stuck. Should say full of acorns. Oh well, it's fixed now.